All right, so for this problem, we have two exponent rules we have to deal with. We have the quotient rule and the power rule. I like to start with the quotient rule. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the quotient rule, which says that if I have a variable with an exponent being divided by that same variable with an exponent, we're going to go ahead and subtract those exponents. So this x on the bottom here gets a power of a 1, and I can do x to the 6th power minus the 1st power. Remember the quotient rule, you do the top minus the bottom. And then that y to the 8th is just going to sit there. Don't forget to keep your parentheses because all of that is being raised to the 2nd power. Well, now 6 minus 1 is 5, so I have x to the 5th power times y to the 8th power. And all of that's being raised to the 2nd power. Now I've completed the quotient rule. Now I can go ahead and move on to the power rule. So we move on to the power rule, which just says if I have an exponent being raised to another exponent, we go ahead and multiply the exponents. So I get x to the 5th power times 2, and y to the 8th power times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And 8 times 2 is 16, so we get x to the 10th power times y to the 16th power.